Guys, welcome to another video of TechInet. In this video, we will explore multiple options of the DHCP. So the DHCP first video, we actually configure a DHCP on the router, and we just put two PCs there to have the DHCP leads. But this time, we will be exploring multiple options. So we will go with the switch, and we will lay out the similar options the way a company has. So if you go in any company and you will see how their router and basically their internet and switch setup is done, we will be following that method because nobody does the DHCP setting and directly connected from the router. So we will follow that step and we will go with the switch, and we will put a switch in the middle. So here is our switch, and we will do a cabling. So I will do a quick cabling here. Start from second port. So just a quick heads up here that you don't really need any configuration on the switch to have the leads from the router. Okay, because switch automatically works straight away until and unless if we do a VLANs and different management setting. So on this thing here, this setup, I will allow gigabit interface and on the fast Ethernet, and now we will straight away jump on to the router. So configure terminal, and we will straight away define the DHCP, what DHCP has to be on this router. So IP DHCP pool, and we will say my pool -1. Okay, and the network is for this DHCP, the network is 192.168.1.0.255.255.255.250. So whatever the IP address, it will assign between 192.168.1.0. So it will start from 1 to 255. So 255 is the IP address of the broadcasting address. So it will not assign that anyway, and then we have to define a default router gateway IP address as well, so that will be excluded as well. So default router address is 192.168.1.1.255.2. We don't need to put the subnet mask here, and that's it. Our DHCP is defined. Now, the most of the people, they put excluded address. So DHCP does not allow excluded address because those addresses are reserved for servers. So we don't have any servers or anything. We will do in another video, and that we will, when we work with the servers, we will put things there. At the moment, this is done. So we just exit from here. Now we will go in interface gigabit. Gigabit 0 by 0, and IP address is 192.168.1.1.255.255.255.0. Because it is the same DHCP, so we will assign the same address to the interface as well. Invalid inputs. Okay, it doesn't define the basic. Okay, I need to select the interface actually. So interface, let's hover on this and let's see what's the story here. Or it is giving us error. Okay, it has a 3 digits, so that's why. Okay, and IP address is 192.168.1.1.255.255.255.0, and we will enable the port. So we say no shut. When we enable the no shut, no port, so now it has enabled the port, and we will save this into memory. So do WR, write in memory. Okay, do WR. So if you are in middle of any configuration and if you give a command do, it will perform that command in between there. Okay, so you can see it here. Otherwise I have to go exit and then come into the configure terminal settings and then enable there. Okay, just a kind of a tip. So now let's see what's the story here. So this is our PC 7 on this one, static. We change to DHCP and we can see we have the IP address here. Default gateway is this one. We will do similar thing here. There you are. So we do need to know that 1.1 is our gateway and it started giving IP addresses from 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is how DHCP work in a small company or small setup. We will do a big project where we will include everything and we will do a configuration of the full small enterprise company. Now we will test the packet and let's see what's the story. Successful. Can we reach the router? Yes. Can we reach this one? Yeah, so all good. Thank you, and we will again in another video we will come up with multiple routers. So we will have one router, we will work with one router, enable DHCP, but we will involve multiple switches. So stay tuned for another video and we will work with the multiple switches along with the ether channel. So and then we will see how that DHCP behave when we have multiple switches with connected with one router. Okay, so we will be exploring on this series, we will be exploring the DHCP options, what it can be possible. Okay, thank you.